Magandang hapon po ng August 29, 2023 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng August 29, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, August 29, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 29, 2023, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 21 million pesos. And Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 19 million pesos for Tuesday, August 29, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for August 29, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.